Welcome to this explainer. Okay, we are diving straight into a concept today that is literally reshaping the online business landscape. The digital product industry, it has exploded into a massive multi-billion-dollar market. And today, we're unpacking a proven blueprint for building best-selling digital products completely from scratch using AI as your ultimate shortcut. And here is the absolute best part. You do not need a single ounce of coding experience or fancy design skills to make this happen. Zero. We're going to look exactly at how artificial intelligence totally bypasses those old traditional technical barriers, allowing complete beginners to create highly functional, really profitable digital assets. $2,000. Just let that number sink in for a second. That right there represents the monthly revenue generated by a single, incredibly simple digital product listing on Etsy. And what is truly mind-blowing, this specific listing is only 3 months old. Yeah, just 3 months, and it's already pulling in 141 monthly sales, cementing itself as a bestseller in record time. It just goes to show that the demand for digital organization tools out there right now is absolutely massive. Okay, let's dive into this. The secret engine powering this kind of rapid success isn't some expensive team of developers. It's actually an AI tool called Claude. Claude has changed the game forever, really, because it acts as the ultimate bridge for absolute beginners. It basically serves as both your lead designer and your lead coder. With just a single, well-crafted prompt, this AI can generate a comprehensive digital product in literal seconds. It literally takes the ideas straight out of your head and turns them into a fully functioning reality. So here is our roadmap for the explainer. 1. The digital product blueprint. 2. Validating your niche market. 3. Analyzing competitors with AI. 4. Generating interactive code. 5. Building in Google Sheets. And 6. Packaging, pricing, and selling. Phase 1. The digital product blueprint. We're focusing specifically on digital planners here. These are essentially interactive spreadsheets that help people organize their daily lives, their finances, maybe specific fitness goals. They're incredibly popular and honestly, highly profitable because there's absolutely zero inventory cost. But traditionally, they have been notoriously difficult and time-consuming to create manually. The old way required heavy design knowledge, a deep understanding of complex spreadsheet formulas, and actual coding skills just to make a planner interactive. It was a massive roadblock. But now, look at the new way. You use Claude as the skill itself. The AI eliminates those technical barriers entirely. It takes on all the heavy lifting so that anyone with a good idea can become a digital entrepreneur in a matter of seconds. Phase 2. Validating your niche market. Now, this is arguably the absolutely crucial step because, let's be real, building a beautiful, functional product doesn't matter one bit if there isn't a hungry audience waiting to buy it. You have to ground your ideas in actual market data before you ever ask the AI to start building. To do this, we really need to understand SEO tags. These are the specific keywords attached to an Etsy listing. They're essentially the signals that tell search engines exactly what your product is, and they connect it with the buyers who are actively searching for it. To accurately assess the competition, beginners should definitely rely on research tools like Everbee. Tools like this let you peek right behind the curtain of top-performing listings, revealing the exact keywords driving their massive sales volumes. Now, what's really interesting about this slide is the clear distinction between high and low competition keywords. If you target a broad term, like digital planner, well, you're putting yourself in a super saturated ocean with thousands of competitors. But targeting a specific sub-niche, something like ADHD life planner, now that is your golden ticket. By using your research tools to find these highly targeted, low-competition sub-niches, you drastically increase your product's visibility and your chances of actually dominating a specific market segment. Phase 3. Analyzing competitors with AI. So once you've found your low competition niche, you don't just sit around and guess what the customer wants. No way. You find 2 or 3 of the absolute top-selling listings in that specific sub-niche, you grab their links, and you feed them directly into Claude. You instruct the AI to analyze these competitor listings, spot their weaknesses, and identify gaps in the market that you can exploit. When Claude analyzes those competitors, and specifically their customer reviews, it extracts brilliant new development ideas. For instance, reviews often complain that digital planners are kind of hard to set up. Claude's solution? Add a short Loom video walkthrough to build trust and immediately improve the user experience. It might also suggest adding an emotional branding angle to make your product really unique, or maybe offering an Excel version alongside the Google Sheets one to capture even more of the market. This is exactly how you use AI to ensure your product is functionally superior to everything else out there. Phase 4. Generating interactive code. Okay, so this is where we take all that incredible market research and those unique feature ideas, and we turn them into the actual architecture of your digital planner. We're going to use AI to add interactive features right within the code to streamline your users' daily tasks. Now, you might be wondering, how on earth do we build this without knowing how to code? I know, it sounds super intimidating. The word code usually makes people freeze up, but I want to reassure you right now, you absolutely do not need a computer science degree for this. You literally don't even need to know what the code actually means. The whole process is completely simplified for someone just starting their journey in digital sales. Because here is the secret. Claude is the engine builder. You are just the driver. All you have to do is prompt Claude with your specific niche requirements. For example, asking it to write the code for a 17-tab ADHD life planner with dynamic habit trackers and auto-calculating calendars. In a matter of seconds, Claude is going to spit out the complete custom Google Apps script code for your interactive planner. It literally writes the entire backend for you instantly. Phase 5, building in Google Sheets. Let's move to the technical execution phase and see how this builds out. Honestly, it's fundamentally just an exercise in copying and pasting. We are taking that complex code that Claude just generated and bringing it to life in a spreadsheet. Just follow these exact steps. First, open up a totally blank Google Sheet. Second, look at the top menu, click Extensions, and then select App Script. A new window is going to open up. Step 3, just delete any placeholder text in that window and simply paste in the code Claude generated for you. That's it. Step 4, hit Save and click Run. Google will ask you to quickly authorize your account, and the second you click Yes, your blank spreadsheet instantly transforms into a fully functional, highly interactive digital planner. It is really, truly that seamless. Phase 6, packaging, pricing, and selling. So you have a highly functional interactive spreadsheet? Awesome. But now we need to transform that raw file into a highly clickable, profitable Etsy listing that actually attracts buyers. And guess what? You don't have to write your listing copy yourself either. Claude can generate all of this for you based on the exact product it just built. It'll craft a totally SEO-optimized title packed with your low-competition keywords. It will write a hook-driven description designed to grab attention and build real trust. It'll highlight those 17 to 22 comprehensive tabs, clearly outlining the product's massive value proposition so the customer knows exactly how this tool is going to improve their daily life. So, the absolutely crucial point here is getting the price right. The source analysis indicates that £15, which is roughly 19 or 20 US dollars, is the sweet spot for a comprehensive 18 to 22 tab planner. Your pricing strategy must directly reflect the tangible quality and the functional value of the content you're providing to the customer. When you offer a deeply researched, interactive tool that genuinely solves a problem for them, buyers are more than happy to pay this premium price point. All right, now for the final logistical steps of how a customer actually receives this digital product automatically upon purchase. Step 1. In your finished Google Sheet, click Share and copy the viewing link. Step 2. Paste that link into a beautifully branded PDF document. This is where you add that personal touch and distinctive brand identity we talked about earlier. That is so vital for building trust and encouraging repeat customers to come back to your shop. Step 3. You just upload that specific PDF to your Etsy listing as the digital delivery file. When a customer buys your planner, Etsy automatically sends them that PDF. They open it, click the link, and boom, they access their brand new planner. It is 100% passive income from that exact point forward. Wow, we have covered a lot of ground today. Looking at how AI has completely demolished the old barriers to entry for digital product creation, you now have the blueprint. You know exactly how to validate your market, analyze your competitors, generate the code, and launch a fully optimized listing. So the only question left for you is, which untapped sub-niche will you conquer next? The tools are literally right at your fingertips. Dive into the research, find your low competition keywords, and let AI help you build something incredible. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer, and happy building.